Apple's Watch Series 2 has been a popular wearable since its launch back in 2016, helping Apple lead the smartwatch sales charts. The tech giant has been found to have updated its internal Global Service Exchange (GSX) guidelines, and is said to now offer free service for Watch Series 2 units that are not powering on or are experiencing expanding battery issues. This update comes as a result of an internal memo shared by Apple with Apple stores and other authorized service providers last week, seen by a publication. Issued in countries including United States, Canada, Mexico, and some in Europe, the new service policy is most likely available worldwide or wherever Apple provides official support, as per a report by MacRumors. The report further states that the coverage will be for eligible devices for 3 years after the original purchase date, according to the internal document numbered SN4534. Eligibility of replacement under service is said to be limited only to the 42mm variants of Sports, Hermes Edition, and Nike N variants of Apple Watch Series 2. This information has been covered under the internal document numbered OP1977. Other variants, including all 38mm models, Apple Watch Series 1, and Apple Watch Series 3 are not covered for free service as per this update. If you are experiencing the same issue on an eligible variant, simply go to Apple Support's official https://getsupport.apple.com/getsupport.apple.com, select Apple Watch, click on Battery, Power, and Charging, and select Bring in for repair. You will then be provided options to schedule an in-person appointment or resolve the issue via phone or chat. Do note that this policy change has not been announced publicly by Apple yet, and Apple stores might deny the presence of such a replacement coverage. Last month, KGI's Ming-Chi Kuo had reported that the upcoming Apple Watch Series 4 would launch in 2018 with 15% larger display and a longer battery life compared to the current Apple Watch Series 3.